From the west to the east, from the north to the south, one blood, one name, let me hear you shout. We're Ashanti, born of fire, warriors' hearts, ancestral power. Autumn fuel sits on the sacred throne, golden roots deep in our bones. Ashanti isn't just a name we claim, it's our spirit, our pride, our flame. They try to break us, we stood tall. History answers every call. Through the storms, through the pain, Ashanti man still remains. We're great, oh we're great. Our ancestors paved our way. They gave us a future written in gold, a story of courage, fearless and bold. We're Ashanti, the warriors, standing strong forevermore. We're Ashanti, the warriors, preaching great before. Who could imagine, who could foresee that scattered states would rise and agree? Oh, come for anarchy, oh, say tutu, turn destiny into truth. From many lands